Well, going on 6+ months of sanding, getting to the point where finally of sanding. And I went with Early American, and this is the joy and reward of going through it and doing it right. Just one coat on the doors. We're gonna give you guys a look at it finally. In some videos of it just being sanded. Finally see it coated. So, yep, there's the color we're going with. So, yep. Yeah. I think it'll look nice. The rest of this done up in that color. I think it'll give it a nice touch. So yeah, I will show the finished project when I get done with it.